Good afternoon and welcome to my table once again. So on the table today I've got an engine that was given to me by a very good friend, Harvey. He gave this engine to me several weeks ago, and I had plans of holding off and showing that engine until I got these things from Norbert. And I did have them both at the same time, but then I came up with a different idea for the Norbert video, for the Cadicted video, and I ended up not showing Harvey's FS-20. As it turns out, I was just contacted by another long-term subscriber. His name's Jay, and apparently in his spare time he actually refinishes engines. So he sent me a long email saying, hey, I'd like to refinish an engine for you, and I really thought this would be a good candidate for it, and you'll see why I believe this is a good candidate for it here when I put the camera on the table. But basically what he does is he does like a full cleaning of vapor honing, and then he does some kind of a Cerakote on these engines, and he sent me pictures, and I'll include a few here in the video somewhere, and they are phenomenal. It is phenomenal what the work he does. So yes, I am going to be disassembling this engine completely. I haven't even run it. Harvey, haven't done anything with it, as you know, because we speak all the time. But so I'm going to be doing a complete disassembly of this video. I'm going to turn my face off, turn this camera off, and I'm only going to focus on just disassembling this engine. And I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to actually make this disassembly like an accelerated time one, or if I'm just going to show it in real time and just show you how quickly I can disassemble an engine. I don't know. So anyway, let's disassemble an engine. Okay, so these are all the parts that I'm going to be sending to Jay. Crankcase, completely empty of all things. Head, completely empty of shims and valves. Rear cover, I don't know if he wants me to take this little nipple thing off. I don't know how I would do that because I don't have a wrench that can reach down in there and get that. Carb or intake manifold and carb body. The cam cover. And then of course the rocker cover. So I don't know if you guys caught it, and I'm not sure if I'm going to make that a real-time video because it really didn't take me very long, or if I'm just going to make it a fast motion disassembly. I don't know yet. But this 20 size doesn't have a ball bearing. It has a ball in the camshaft, so that's why I put those pieces in a Ziploc bag and some of the other carb parts, because you don't want to lose that ball. That would not be a good thing. So anyway, that's where we stand with this. Okay, so that was a fun disassembly, real quick disassembly of a OS FS-20 Surpass engine, or not Surpass, OS FS-20 engine. And it's in really good shape. I mean, it came from Harvey, so I knew it would be in good shape. In fact, it's in such good shape that I don't even think I'm going to replace the bearings in it. Sure, they have some runtime on them, but they feel pristine. So probably not going to do that. Excellent, excellent little engine. Can't wait to see what it looks like when it comes back. And of course, I'll be showing it to you when it does come back.